Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. As we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news inflation is still not beat and the new tariff wars are messing with when that might happen. First up today, there was another dairy auction though, and this one came in weaker than the derivatives market had anticipated. Prices slipped overall by 0.6% in US dollar terms and by 1.5% in New Zealand dollar terms. And it was a much lower skim milk powder price that was the surprise undershoot, down 2.5% from the prior event and last week's Pulse event. Cheddar cheese also took a 3.4% tumble. Overall of note, North Asia, that is China, returned with renewed demand to be the top buyer today, after largely sitting on the sidelines recently. In the US, the New York Region Factory Survey turned from a negative to a positive expansion in February, a continuation of an improving trend that started in early 2024, but one that's been quite volatile in between. But their national survey of house builders turned more cautious in February, hurt by tariff talk and the expected resulting inflation. In Canada, they reported January CPI inflation, and that came in at 1.9% and pretty much as expected. But the trimmed mean core rate came in at 2.7%, the one the Bank of Canada follows, above the December level of 2.6% and well above the expected 2.5% level. This is going the wrong way for them, and they may now skip the expected March rate cut. The Reserve Bank of Australia cut its policy rate by 25 basis points to 4.1%, much as expected by financial markets, citing progress on getting inflation down towards its target range. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.54%, up 5 basis points from yesterday at this time. And the price of gold will start today at just under $2,931 an ounce, up $33 from yesterday. And oil prices are up 50 US cents at just over $71.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now at $75.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 57 US cents, down 40 basis points from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're down 30 basis points at 89.8 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 20 basis points at 54.6 euro cents. That all means our trade weighted index starts today at just over 66.9 and down 30 basis from this time yesterday, and has been one of the largest devaluers over the past 24 hours. Join us at 2 o'clock this afternoon for full coverage of the RBNZ's monetary policy statement, and before that, we'll have the January REINZ results at 9 a.m. You get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.